The Importance of the Bristol Bay Fishing Industry to Alaska by Katie Bingman, Econ 111, The Economy of Rural Alaska. The Bristol Bay region. There are at least 25 federally recognized tribes in the Bristol Bay region, two of which are, quote, the last intact, sustainable salmon-based cultures in the world. These are the Yupik and Dena'ina. The Bristol Bay watershed area is roughly the size of West Virginia, which I had to look that up, is approximately 24,000 square miles. There are 8 major rivers in the region, 2 of which support the majority of the salmon spawning, the Nushagak and the Kvichak rivers. Prime fishing habitat. The waters in the area are home to the largest sockeye fishery in the world, approximately 46% of the global population of wild salmon. Approximately half of that 46% is provided by the Nushagak and Kvichak rivers. The region is home to all 5 species of salmon, which are pink, chum, sockeye, poho, and chinook. There is no hatchery in the region, so all of the salmon are wild spawning salmon and self-regulating. This means that the state isn't helping keep these populations in check by adding their own salmon. These are all just pure wild salmon. Fishing is the backbone. Salmon are approximately 52% of the subsistence harvest for the region. The Bristol Bay fishery has a value of $1.5 billion and employs over 14,000 people seasonally. In the summer, unemployment rates in the region are the lowest in the state. Also in the summer, 9 out of 10 seafood workers are from outside of Alaska. Oops. Looking back, 2024 season. In 2024, the salmon run in Bristol Bay had 51.6 million fish. While statistics show this to be a good year, when looking closer, this run was made up of younger and smaller fish, which is what the graph next to here represents, is the fishing weight over the years. So it has gone down drastically to some pretty good highs of at least over 6 pounds to well under 5, 4.5 pounds. Of the 51.6 million, 32 million were caught, leaving 20 million to escapement, meaning allowing them to pass fishing vessels and get upstream to spawn. There are set times where fishing closes to allow for this escapement every day. It is very strictly regulated and minimum numbers are set for the year. The biggest threat to this delicate economy is the pebble mine. If built, the pebble mine would be the largest mine in America, one of the largest in the world, and would pollute the 2 largest rivers, the Nushagak and the Kvichak rivers, that contribute to the purely wild salmon that sustain the world. The 2 pictures are of, the first one is the sizes in comparison to the other mines that are in Alaska right now, and the second picture is what it would potentially look like for the amount of pollution from this mine, but it's overlaid on a map of Anchorage to kind of show the size. These are my references for all of my research done.